Hello everybody, I am Mateyena and I am back with a skincare haul, and it's a one brand skincare haul, and it's gonna be Rovectin. Have you heard of Rovectin? When the pandemic started, I haven't been wearing makeup because my face is always in a mask. Especially when I go to work, I have to be in a mask for like 12 hours, 12 plus hours. When I get off work, I come home, have to go to the grocery store, I have to do like multiple things. I have to wear a mask. So over the time, the mask started breaking out my face, and throughout the summertime, I was hanging out, on the track because my children run track, and sometimes we can spend like 8 to 10 hour days on a track field. And I kind of knew better, but I didn't do better. I would go out there in the sun with no sunscreen. So literally my skin became damaged. I felt like my skin became damaged. I was having like my skin started to break out. I was becoming sensitive to almost like everything I was using, and I didn't know what was going on. Upon doing research, I realized that I may have had sun damage. Literally, it felt like I broke out the protective layers of my skin, so I was just like exposed. Sun damage, mask, everything began to irritate me. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I wear the mask to work. If you don't know this, it's because I am a nurse and I have been working hard with a C19 patient almost on a regular basis. I have to have my mask on. So upon doing some more research, I decided to find some good skincare product that's gonna help with the healing of my skin. So upon doing my research consisted of Google. My research consisted of YouTube, and I discovered Rovectin, and I ended up going on their website, reading more about it and seeing what they're all about. Apparently Rovectin initially was created for cancer patients. I guess when the cancer patient go through chemotherapy, their skin get damaged. So this is like a prescription skincare for cancer patients in Korea. And if I forgot to mention this, this is also part of K-beauty. The thing is, my skin have become like very sensitive over the years, and one thing I noticed is that a lot of the products from K-beauty, they don't irritate my skin. Because if you don't know this, I have done some reviews on K-beauty products. How I discovered K-beauty, originally how I discovered K-beauty was I was researching makeup for small eyes, because I have small eyes, or makeup for hooded eyes. So once I would put that in the YouTube search, it was suggesting a lot of Asian beauty vloggers. I guess I guess a lot of Asian women have like hooded eyes. It was recommending it, and I was learning how to apply like eyeshadow, mascara for people that have hooded eyes, because I have hooded eyes. I love my beautiful Destiny Godly, Ohima. I love their technique. Jackie Aina, but they don't have hooded eyes. So once I would put hooded eyes, it would bring out the Asian, the Korean, you name it, beauty vloggers. So I started watching their channels, and I became curious about some K-beauty products. I purchased like a gel from Nature Republic on Amazon, and that was it. And then, surprise, surprise, Innisfree sent me some free product that I did a review on my channel. So K-beauty was like the first brand to send me like beauty product for review. And mind you, I'm a like small channel, and back then I was even smaller. I think I had like 4,000 subscribers or 5,000 subscribers, and this huge K-beauty send me some beauty products for review. And after that, a different company, Skin and Soul, also sent me some beauty products for review. And I had not purchased these products, but I realized that those products actually ended up working great for me. So fast forward, I'm now on to Rovectin. Rovectin was not sent to me by anybody. I decided to purchase them just in an effort to repair my skin. I have like two type of Rovectin. I started using some of it, but this is just a haul, and then if you guys want, I can come back with a review. But so far, for what I've used, I'm loving it so far. Let's start with the Rovectin Skin Essential. I have this Rovectin Skin Essential. This is like a by Dr. Mask Aqua. So it's a skin care mask. It comes with like 5 in the pack, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to trying it. And as I mentioned, it's like a prescription skincare product in Korea, and right here is the prescription code. Right now in Korea, they are prescribing these to cancer patients, but now it's on the market for everybody that may have damaged their skin like I did. The Rovectin Skin Essential Barrier Aqua Advanced Formula. This is like a moisturizer. So they did send me this in a sample, and I have tried it already, and it has like a really good texture, a texture that I have not come across yet, and so far so good. And next I have the Rovectin Skin Essential Aqua Serum, which is like just like a serum. It comes in a bottle with a pump. I haven't tried this yet, but it will be coming up in a video. As I mentioned, again, it's just a haul for now. And then one of the things I was really excited about is the Ruvichten Skin Essential Activating Treatment Lotion. So it looks like it's a watery, but it does have a little bit of a thickness to it, as they call it, viscosity. So I was able to just pour it in my hands and wipe my face with it. I use a sample because they also sent me a sample, so I was able to use a sample, and it felt, I have to say, it felt like nothing I've ever used before. So to me, this is truly new beauty care product. The Rovectin Skin Essential has like 7 layers of hyaluronic acid to help penetrate all the different layers of your skin, so that way the smaller layers can penetrate like deeper into the tissues, and then the bigger one can stay on the surface. I also have the Rovectin Essential Conditioning Cleanser. It's not open yet. Looking forward to trying this as well. And then let's move on to Rovectin Clean. So Rovectin Clean, the package comes like a little bit plain. Apparently they made it this way to make recycling easy. Lotus Water Cream, and this is it right here. This is what it looks like. Doesn't have, you know, anything on it, but it's supposed to make it easy because apparently the less writing there's on a package, it's easier to recycle. It comes also with stickers where you can use it and decorate your own tube. Once you're ready to recycle, you can just peel the stickers off and then recycle. The Rovectin Clean Marine Micellar Deep Cleansing Water. It's a huge bottle, so this will last me a while. It will go a long way. And one of the things that I was really surprised of was the Rovectin Clean LAH Blemish Ampoule. The ampoule is so tiny. What is this? What is this Rovectin? I know they have like a bigger bottle, but on the website, I guess I didn't even look at like how many ounces it was. 0.5 ounces. Like I didn't look at, you know, the volume, or else I would have purchased the bigger bottle. And then it comes and it's not all the way full. And it's sealed. It's sealed, so that's how it comes. So I cannot say that, you know, it's spilled or they send me a used bottle. No, it's a new bottle. They just don't fill it up all the way to the top. And they also send me some of these little samples, which I have started to try some. I will leave the website to these products in the description box below because I ordered these from Ruvichten USA. So for now, this is it for my Ruvichten haul. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't.